Welcome to Cardano Review and Reputation System Testing. Here are the APIs that we have used in our project. We are using Postman for seamless API calling. First, we will post a review category. We can see that the review category has been added to the database successfully after this call. Yes, we can see that it has been successfully added. Now we will visualize this in our UI. So we can see that the review category has been added to the UI too. Now we can see in the network tab also there is a call for all the categories, and the newest category has been added successfully to this. Now we will move again to our APIs in the Postman so that we can see the other APIs too. So here are the APIs. Here is again a post API. In this post API, we are getting the review categories. As you can see, all the review categories are visualized here, and also the same thing we can see in the UI respect to this. So here, let me check the network tab. So after refreshing in the network tab also, you can see the response in the Postman is same as the network tab response here. Okay, now we will move again to our API in the Postman. Now we will see the updation of a review category. So the review category is inactive now. We are going to active this one by using put method. So here we can see that it is changed from inactive to active, and also in the UI we can after refreshing we can see that from inactive it has been active. Now we will go to the user end where we can write a review and give a review. So we will write a review from here. Here for this email ID we will write a review. Let us give us a review. We need to select one category. So I am selecting gem. And we are submitting the review. So we can see after processing it is submitted successfully, and now it is going to blockchain transaction and smart contract validation. After the validation, we can see the review in the UI, and now we are going back into the Postman for the other APIs as well. You can see here is the delete API where we can delete a review category, and also we have get reviews. So whenever we are posting this, we can get all the reviews that has been listed in our site. And now we will get to the get review for business users end. So business users can see the reviews as well. So here are the details of the reviews that business users can see. All the details of the reviews here. And here is the end user. So get reviews for all and for the end user we can see. Yes. So all the API call has been successfully made, and we can see all the details here. And here is get all reviews for a selected user. For this particular user, you can see all the reviews or the reviews he or she has made. So other APIs are also here. Anyone can look through the document and check for the APIs. All are running fine. These are the published API document and design, and here are the APIs that we have used in our project. From create a review to create a category, everything is there, and you can see this in the GitHub repository also. Here are the unit test cases. We have written test cases for user end, review categories, reply transaction, and review as well. And also we can see there are 4 test suites and 42 test cases. We are pleased to inform that it has been run successfully. All tests are passed. Now we are running the smart contract Haskell file by Carbon REPL. And we will run the main function from where it will start. We will give the datum file path and the updated datum file path so that it can work. we can see that after formatting, that updated data has been there after the reputation calculation and according to the data we have given. Now we will run on-chain test case for ourselves to check if the transactions are happening fine or not. So here is a whole file, shell script file, and uh, for our purpose we do have the address. But if anyone doesn't have an address, they can generate by step 1, 2, and 3 the payment address, the private key, and public key. Now we will run this shell script file. From step 4, we can see it is running. This transaction successfully submitted, and now it's going for redemption. Yes, so we can see that we have already redeemed successfully. The UTXOs are there. Lastly, here are the unit test cases of our smart contract. Here is the test case written. We are importing all the functionalities from our smart contract here as we are using it in this test case. Now we will run this test case. We are doing Cabal build and after that Cabal ripple. We will run from main and we can see that reputation calculation, validation logic and updation reputation is working fine and all tests have been run successfully.